It's been very, very hot this summer in Oregon. Our garden is really looking parched despite our efforts to keep it watered, but it's still lovely to be in. It's been so long since I've posted anything. It's just been so busy with traveling and guests that it's been hard to find time to create new videos, but I'm hoping to get back on a regular schedule. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Today I wanted to share some cleaning motivation. I find it's hard to find time in the summer to give the house a deeper clean because we're so busy with outside activities, traveling, and hobbies. But today was a little gray and cooler, thank goodness, so I tried to catch up on some much needed cleaning. If you happen to be new here today, I'm so glad you stopped by. I'm so thankful you're taking a moment to watch this video, and I hope it gives you some inspiration. My name is Sara, and I share videos about cleaning, organizing, and homemaking. If you like what you see, be sure to click on the subscribe button below. I do try and wipe down the toilet and sink every few days to keep them clean. It only takes a minute or two, and it never gets super dirty if you keep up on it. This is part of my regular morning routine, but I like to give them a more thorough cleaning every week or so. We keep this window open in the bathroom almost all summer, so I like to vacuum the screen occasionally to cut down on some of the dust that comes in. I'm super picky about scents, but I found that I love this lemon-scented foaming hand soap. I think we got it at Target. The scent doesn't last too long on your hands, which I like. They also sell these refills, which reduce the amount of plastic that I'm throwing out, which is a huge plus. The windowsills in our bedroom also collect tons of dust, and I don't get around to dusting them very often. They're also open most of the summer to let in some fresh air, but with the fresh air comes a lot of dust. I love to change these shelves up with the seasons, but today they just needed a good dusting. I think part of enjoying our homes is keeping up on these little tasks. I love the feeling when my home is neat and cleaned up, but there are times when I look around and see a constant to-do list of things that need cleaned, dusted, or repaired. But by keeping up on them and doing a little bit daily, I avoid that feeling and can actually enjoy my home. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye.